yeah. Whoa. Look, they can never keep me down, I'm going. And if I ever fail, just know I'll go again. I never quit, cause I know that every loss may lead to another win. I'm going up. I bet when I land, they gon' tell me it's luck again. See that I'm winning this hard.
Okay guys, we are in Supercar rental and I'm wearing white, so we need to take a white car.
Yeah, live from the Hush House.
Okay, so maybe we're gonna take this one or that one, or maybe that's Ferrari.
Take a picture if you see me tonight. It'll be worth it. I told her I'm blowing up. She ain't believing the hype.
Take the Ferrari. Okay.
Yeah, that's what they all say, but they ain't all in for the long game. Here today and I'm here tomorrow. And enclave in my peer group.
Nice, you hear the sound.
And you know on this shirt with signatures on every chest, y'all be golden and cursive. Their emotions on 10, can't control it in person. If she replies back, get your head out the clouds. I revoke an invite to my session in town. I don't need that, it's too far-fetched bullshit. Expect believing me and I ain't letting them down. Y'all do it for a hobby, we ain't messing around.
Yeah, I mean. Okay guys, here's the location. I think there is no headache in here. You can shoot. You can take photos, videos without any problems. And here is Amin for اللي ما يعرفش Amin. He's a filmmaker and photographer and he's doing great job for the supercars rental, yeah. What's the plan, Amin?
I'm gonna prepare everything.
Okay.
With the content.
You need some content, bro. I mean, how long have you been doing this for supercars?
2 years.
Almost 2 years, huh?
2 years with supercars.
And what's the best one, the best supercar that you like it for this?
Maserati.
Okay.
McLaren 720.
The most expensive one?
Aventador.
Okay.
2 million dirham.
But you like BMW?
Of course.
Why?
Because you can enjoy with BMW, Papa. BMW drifting.
You can slide, drifting.
Slide.
Okay. Okay guys, nice car, nice background, so we just start taking some photos. And the result was like this.
Chimpanzee position.
But sadly after 10 minutes the security guy comes and he just stopped us. I was so disappointed. You know, it's a hassle. Wherever you go here in Dubai for a photo shoot or video shoot, you need to get permission.
So that's why I came all the way from somewhere when I receive a call.
Even if it's not commercial project. But anyway, we just decided to go to another place and by chance it was better than the first location.
وين تروح درك؟ هذاك مبطل انا ما
وين
نخدمش.
تروح امين قول لي. وين تروح وين؟ It's okay.
وين نجي نقول له وين اشوف وين نجي وين نجي ها قول له وين نجي وتصور واش تصور
وين ترقد؟ يا امين
يا ام سوقين
مريولة. So in here I want to shoot like a short video for reels. And the result was like this. Enjoy.
Sound good. Walk out to my own shit on the main event. Vinci my cologne after the show. She told me that shit was her favorite sense. Sprint event in space when you take your friends. What happened next? You could take a guess.
ايش حابين ابوز امين ويا Okay guys, that was our video for today. Here is Amin. Thank you bro.
Welcome bro.
Cheers.
My pleasure.